the detachment from my surroundings, maybe from my body, maybe from my emotions, all of these things that went to the head. And this search intellectually for some kind of connection or some kind of meaning or some kind of truth.
Yeah.
And there's this sense of forgetting about my body and the present reality. And so as you try to create a story in your mind or set goals for the future, it's like you're further and further distancing yourself from the story in the moment.
Yeah.
And you don't live that story, and you can look back and time has just gone by. And and you know, God is so good that he can redeem all of that through our weakness and still create a story. But to live in a way that is connected to the story that Jesus came to bring us is something I'm learning on a much deeper level, like very right now. And this movie to me illustrates the idea of like a deep disconnection from the Christ story and a very black and white way of thinking. So